I love my job because, I get to see patients, every 6 months basically. I feel like I get to know them on a personal level, and then I get to help them with their overall oral health and get them in better condition than when they walked in the door.
I love dealing personally with the people, being able to call them by name and for them to call me by name. Just makes it a very personal experience for everyone here. We all get along like family here. If you are coming in with dread on your face, we hope you leave with a smile.
I love my job. I love what I do. I love the girls that work here. I love the dentist. I love their philosophy and what they believe in. It means a lot.
I have known Dr. Sutton, of course, been with him for 30 years, Dr. Joseph since he was 5 years old, and I watched him grow up in the practice. They truly care about their patients. They want the best, not patch-up work. They want to do something that's going to hold up and last for the patients.